Good afternoon, children.
Good
Good afternoon, ma'am.
We completed diffusion last class and we have to continue with osmosis. We just started it, the definition for osmosis. We discussed. One of you can tell me what is meant by osmosis? Just the definition. Isha, yes, Nandana.
The movement of water molecules from a region of high water concentration to a region of
Low water
concentration
concentration
through a semi-permeable
through a semi-permeable membrane. That is very important. It takes place through a semi-permeable membrane. That is one of the main differences between diffusion and osmosis. In diffusion, it is the movement of molecules from a region of higher concentration to a region of lower concentration, whereas osmosis is the movement of water molecules from a region of higher water concentration to a region of lower water concentration through a semi-permeable membrane. So you are going to learn in detail about osmosis taking place in different types of solutions. Already you learned about concentrated and dilute solutions. Am I right? In
Yes.
concentrated and dilute solution, where you can find more concentration of solute, where will be solute more, in concentrated or dilute solutions? Concentrated solution. So let us learn more about osmosis. The movement of water molecules from a region of high water concentration to a region of low water concentration through a semi-permeable membrane is known as osmosis. And see, children, in this figure, you can find a beaker. 3/4 of this beaker is filled with water. 3/4 of the beaker, you can find water. And the red color, what is shown, is a cell. A cell is placed inside this beaker containing water. And if you notice the arrows, you can see the movement of water molecules in two directions. Tell me in which directions, in which all directions water molecule is moving, children? Water molecules are moving from the beaker to the cell. Only in that direction? Only in that direction. Are they moving in the opposite direction also?
Yes.
Yes. From the cell also, you can find water molecules leaving. Here you can see entry of water molecules into the cell. Here they are leaving out. Here again it is entering. Here also it is entering. And tell me, more water is entering or leaving? Entering. More water is entering the cell. And as a result, if more and more water enters the cell, what will happen to the cell? What will happen to the appearance of cell?
Will increase size.
It will increase in size or it will get swollen up because water is soaked in. And children, have you noticed this process somewhere else? I'll give you a clue. In the kitchen, have you noticed? Do you enter kitchen other than for eating food, for taking food? Huh?
No. Sorry. Yes.
Some are very frank. No, you don't help your mother.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. You all help.
Yes.
Yes. How do you help? How do you help your mother?
Washing the plate.
Who said that? Washing plate. Oh, good, Advait. Washing
Ma'am,
plates. I'll confirm with your mother. Okay, I'll speak to her and confirm. Okay, then.
I also.
Washing plates.
Cooking food.
Cooking food. Who said? Alan.
No, ma'am, Nandana.
Nandana. What food you cook? What dish you can cook?
Not with the thing what we eat daily. Sometimes last when it was my mother's wedding and father.
So you prepared?
I cooked for them fried rice.
What? I didn't hear. Pardon?
And fried rice.
Fried rice. You prepared? Yes. Nandana. All 8?
Yeah. All 8.
Okay, what was the comment given?
Not.
Your mother didn't help completely, you did?
My father helped me.
Father was the main cook, you were the assistant cook.
Yeah, I can say like that.
Okay, anyway, good attempt. You have to help your mother. Only Nandana, no one else know cooking?
I know.
What do you cook?
Egg.
Egg fry
Yes,
or bullseye?
no, bullseye I don't like. My sister like. I like egg.
Omelette.
Yes.
Then? Okay, what else? Tea. You can prepare tea?
No.
Only egg fry.
Yes.
Okay. Who else? Anyone else? No cooking?
Ma'am,
Yes,
Oreo
Naveen?
shake.
Oh yes, Oreo shake. Once I'll come to your house. Okay, I'll
Yes,
try
I'll
try your Oreo shake, but I'll be able to continue working now.
Yes. Yes. Of course.
I will definitely come and bring your special Oreo shake. Amin was saying something, Amin?
I make egg and tea.
Egg and tea. What combination is that?
Not combination.
Okay. You know to fry egg, and also egg fry means roast or omelette.
Omelette.
Okay. And you prepare tea.
Ma'am, burger.
From
Cake.
shop you will buy and eat, no?
No, ma'am. I and my sister.
Okay. Let's see. Once I will come to your house and try all these. At my
Ma'am,
own risk.
before coming, you
At
should
my
tell
own
us.
risk, I will come. Yes.
You should tell me before you are coming.
You want to buy from shop then?
No, ma'am. That ingredients.
Okay, let's see. I'll come and definitely I'll come. Okay, child. What we were discussing in kitchen, have you noticed this process? I told that inside the cell, water is entering into the cell is getting swollen up. So same process have you noticed in the kitchen? Correct, Isha. Yes, Isha, Hira, I will give you a chance. What you were saying, correct only? Soaking grams, exactly. What about you, Hira? What you wanted to say?
Ma'am, that
Ma'am,
cuscus.
salt
they
mango.
put-
Cuscus. So cuscus after adding to water, it will get swollen up or it will
Salt
increase its
mango.
salt mango.
Ma'am.
Salt mango or mango in salt water.
Yes.
Okay, that is another process. Same osmosis only, but where water is entering the cell and getting swollen up, the typical example is what she said. Even the example of cuscus is correct, because you might have seen your mother soaking gram seeds the previous night before cooking. And for example, she'll add some gram seeds into water. 3/4 of the vessel was having water, and she added some gram seeds into it. The next day morning, if you notice, what will be the level of water? Will it remain the same? No. What will happen to the water? Water will be reduced or increased?
Reduced.
Reduced. Where the water has gone?
Into the greens.
Into
The greens.
into the gram seeds. And what will be the appearance of the gram seed? It will be same as you saw it in the previous night.
Swollen.
It will be swollen. Sometimes you can see the seed coat also will be broken. A crack can be seen in, because what to say, absorbing more and more water, it will get swollen up, and sometimes the seed coat also can get ruptured. And what is happening there? Absorption of water. Which process is happening over there? Osmosis. And morning in one class, a child told soya chunks, soya. So that also when you add water, you can see that the water, absorbing water, the soya chunks getting swollen up. All these are examples where water is entering the cell. But water is, for example, if you take the case of gram seeds, you are adding gram seeds into water. Water can enter the gram seeds, and from the gram seeds, water can leave out. Water can move in both directions. But on an average, when you see the net movement of water, you will find that more water has entered the cell than leaving. Water can enter and leave. Water can easily move through the semi-permeable membrane present in the plant cells. Gram seed is made up of cells, so the cells are having cell membrane or plasma membrane, water can freely move in and out. But on an average, when you calculate the amount of water that has entered, you will find that is more when compared to the water that has left the seed. So I'll continue with the same. So here you can see the water molecules are entering as well as leaving the cell. But more water has entered, which will result in the swelling up of cell. The cell will increase in size. And my next question is, why more water is entering the cell than leaving? Why more water is not leaving?
Because there is low concentration.
Yes, exactly. The concentration of water is more in the beaker. So the concentration of water is more outside. Here the water concentration is more, water concentration is less inside. So you have learned that water will move from a region of higher concentration to a region of lower concentration. And here I have given a heading, hypotonic solution. Let's see what is hypotonic solution. If the medium surrounding the cell, if the medium, so here this is the medium surrounding the cell. So this is the medium. If the medium surrounding the cell is having a higher water concentration than the cell, you can call it as a hypotonic solution. So what is meant by a hypotonic solution? If the medium surrounding the cell has higher water concentration than the cell, you can call it as a hypotonic solution. Hypotonic solution is where the concentration of water is more than the cell. In such a case, water molecules will move into the cell and the cell will swell up. Clear? So it can be asked, what happens to the cell when it is placed in a hypotonic solution? The cell will swell up in a hypotonic solution because water molecules are free to move into the cell and leave the cell. But if you take the net movement of water, you will see that more amount of water has entered the cell than the water that has left the cell. And as a result, the cell will get swollen up. And what do you call a solution where the water concentration is more? Dilute or concentrated? Dilute. So if it is asked what is meant by a hypotonic solution, you should write the medium. If the medium surrounding the cell has higher water concentration than the cell, you can call it as a hypotonic solution. So in this case, more water will be entering the cell than that leaves. Less water will be leaving out of the cell, but more water will be entering. And this will result in the swelling up of the cell. Clear? So here you can see soaked grains. Soaked grams. And the soaked grams, you can see the difference in appearance. The dried unsoaked grains are the color itself or the texture itself. You can see it's small in size and it seems to be very dry. But upon soaking, absorbing the moisture, they get swollen up. These seeds get swollen up. And the amount also increases. The quantity also increases. Next time when your mother soaked the gram seeds, if you haven't seen, just see the previous night and the next day morning before cooking, ask your mother to show the change in appearance of these gram seeds. Clear? Abhiram? The term should be thorough because we are going to learn about 2 more solutions. So only if hypotonic solution is thorough, you will understand the other 2. What is meant by a hypotonic solution? If the medium surrounding the cell has higher water concentration than the cell, you can call it as a hypotonic solution. And the next question, what happens to the cell when it is placed in a hypotonic solution? The cell will swell up. Why the cell is swelling up? Because in a hypertonic solution, when you place a cell in a hypertonic solution, water molecules will enter as well as leave the cell. But if you consider the net movement of water, you can see that, or you will find that more water is entering the cell than leaving. As a result, the cell will get swollen up. Clear? Children,
Yes.
just like adding coconut in between while making our steam cake, I have to say it repeatedly that turn your video on, turn your video on. Huh? You're giving me punishment.
No.
Turn it on.
No.
Yes, Abhiram. Yes, Abhiram.
The last slide.
I will show. Have you understood, children? Ken, what is meant by a hypertonic solution? I repeated minimum 5 times now.
The medium surrounding the cell has a higher water concentration.
Then, in comparison, we have to say it. You have to compare and say.
Than the cell.
Then you call it as a
Hypertonic solution.
Good, good. What will happen to the cell when it is placed in a hypertonic solution? Adigesh?
And the cell swells up.
Okay, the cell will swell up. Why, Anandita? Why the cell is swelling up?
More water enter.
More
The
water
cell.
will enter the cell than water can move in both directions, but more water will be entering than leaving the cell. And as a result, the cell will swell up. Clear? And the next type of solution that we are going to learn is hypertonic solution. Can you guess what will be hypertonic solution? Now you have learned hypotonic. Are you thorough with hypotonic? Yes, Isha? Yes. You said something, no? You want to say? Yes, who is ready? Let it be wrong. Abhiram will say. Oh God. Yes. Good. Tell me.
Ma'am. Ma'am.
You want to call me in between? That's why? Not for saying the answer?
Ma'am.
Wait a minute. Abhiram wanted to say something.
Ma'am,
Abhiram? Yes, Abhiram. Come on.
And the seeds.
Let it be wrong. I told you you're free to make mistakes. Feel relaxed. We are just, imagine that we are in a friend circle. Whatever comes to your mind, you will speak, no? So what has come to your mind? You just say that. Let it be wrong. What is wrong? Let the answer be wrong. No issues. Only your friends and me. If you don't consider me as an outsider, then you can feel free to say. You heard my question, Abhiram?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the question?
What is hypotonic?
Hypertonic. Hypertonic you already learned. So based on that.
Solution.
Yes? What is meant by a hypertonic solution? You might have heard some people saying the child is very hyperactive. That child is a hyperactive child. Means very active. Not in a positive sense, okay? Hyperactive means more than what is required. They will not sit in their place. They keep roaming around. If it is a regular class, they cannot be seated somewhere. After 5 minutes, they'll get up, they'll roam around, they'll move this way, that way. Abhiram?
The solution.
Moine, you make mistakes, no problem. But you say the answer. I want that. I want to hear your voice. Only my voice is getting echoed all the time. Let them get a change. Let them, they also need, who doesn't need a change?
The cell's carbon dioxide.
Something you're reading from the textbook, no? Who will tell me the answer? You listen, I'll make you say. Ritvik, can you say? Don't refer your textbook. You know what is hypertonic. Then based on that, make slight changes and try to say only 1 or 2 words you have to change. Yes.
said that it will soak all the water.
What was the definition given by me for hypertonic? If the medium surrounding the cell has higher water concentration than the cell, then what will be the opposite of that?
Ma'am.
Yes.
Cell has lower
Lakshmi,
concentration.
yes. If the medium surrounding the cell has got a lesser water concentration than the cell, you can call it as
Hypertonic.
hypertonic solution. Here also water molecules can enter the cell, leave the cell, but more water molecules will be entering or leaving? Leaving. Why? Because the medium is concentrated. So water concentration will be less. So more will be within the cell. So from the cell, water molecules will be leaving out. And as a result, what will happen to the cell?
Size will decrease.
Size will decrease or it will shrink. Have you noticed this somewhere? The shrinking of cells or shrinking of some fruits or vegetables you've noticed somewhere? Not when it is kept under the sun, it gets dried. I'm not asking about that. Other than that, have you noticed?
Ma'am, when it gets sold.
Correct. You like tender mango pickle? Oh, Alan's eyes just popped out hearing the word mango pickle. Okay, tender mango pickle. For preparing that, these mangoes will be soaked in salt water or it will be put in salt water. You know, normally it will be having a smooth surface, mango. But after putting or adding it into salt water and leaving it like that for a few days or for a few weeks, what change you will notice?
Color change.
There'll be color change, definitely. Other than that, appearance. It will, some wrinkles or it will get shrunken. Wrinkles will appear. It won't be having a smooth finish. It will keep on shrinking. The more time you leave it in salt water, it will keep on shrinking because what is the reason? The water molecules are leaving out. Okay. It's already time. I'll quickly summarize. See here, the medium surrounding the cell is having a lower water concentration than the cell. So more water will leave the cell than...
And you haven't shared the screen.
Oh, sorry, sir. But I have shared it.
Yes.
Yes, only that was a problem only with Nandana. Okay, now can you see? Can you see? More water will be leaving the cell than entering it. And as a result, the cell will shrink. Clear? Is it clear, children? And that example I'll show you. See the mangoes before adding into water, salt water. And on the left side, you can see the mangoes after being soaked in salt water for a few weeks or months. And the prepared pickle also you can find over there. So that change in appearance is because of osmosis. Here the water molecules have moved out or moved in?
Moved out.
Moved out. It has gone out. More water has left the cell. No problem, children. We'll repeat this again next class. I'll repeat the same thing again next class. I'll send the slides also. Hope you have no doubt. So we'll continue the same topic once again next class. So those who haven't understood the second part, hypertonic, not to worry. We'll discuss again next class. Shall we wind up?
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Thank
Thank you,
you.
ma'am.
See you
Okay,
next
see
class.
you, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.